Welcome, people. Welcome. Candy's Hair Diary. I know it's been a minute. I know. Your girl is back with a cute little hairstyle. I thought it's like super quick, temporary. I don't know what I'm really gonna do with my hair, but this is just in the meantime, in between time. Okay, so I've got some old curly hair, human hair, that I haven't used in a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sides of my hair and braid them up, regular cornrows, using just my hair, right? This right here will be sewn in, and then the back will be sewn in. Y'all, still got my undercut. It's a little rough back there. It's a little rough, but it's still there, okay? It's still there. So when I come back, guys, I am gonna come back with it braided. So yeah, I'm gonna part it off. I'm gonna do all the things. I'm gonna do all the things, okay? I might not show you the full thing because it's just so in. I mean, who has not seen a sew in? Y'all know. Y'all know. Okay, anyways, but let's go ahead and get into it. And yeah, let's go.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't.
All right, y'all. So I got one side braided up. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side braided up the same way. So I'm taking the braids up instead of back. I wanted them to kind of go up, like, see? So I want them to go up, and then I put some, it's curly here, so the braids do not have to be perfect in the back or the top, okay? The up here will probably, I'm taking these straight back. Okay, the braid down will be straight back. These will be straight back. So let me finish doing this and I'll come back.
My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. In my world, only you make me do what I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. You're in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
All right, guys, so here is the final product. This is the final look, okay? So this is why I said this style is totally versatile. You can wear it plain Jane, or you can do, which y'all already saw that. Y'all already saw that. But this is like the next day. So all I did was put a little mousse on it, wet it, and did my detangling brush. That was it. No other type of product, no nothing else on here. And this is what it looks like. Now, I did not crochet it, but you can always, and I have another video, so check out the video. I'll put that in the description box of how I take this hair, take a crochet needle and go through it and loop it over so that it covers the tracks. But I know I'm not gonna wear it like this right now, so I'm not bothering covering the tracks right now. I just kind of more so wanna wear it flipped over and wear it like a little funky, that type of deal. So like I said, you can wear it like this to one side, or flip it over and wear it to the other side. So I think I'm gonna wear it like that, and if I want to do the middle, then I'm just gonna loop it through. So yeah, like I said, very versatile. Very versatile. I'm just using some old hair I already had. I got this hair off of Amazon, baby. It ain't nothing special. I'll link the hair down below as well. Y'all know how I do. And yeah, that's all I got. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.